Hello and welcome to Secure Code Warrior. In this module, we'll be looking at security misconfiguration. We'll explain what a security misconfiguration is, its causes and preventions, and some potential hazards. So, what is a security misconfiguration vulnerability? A security misconfiguration occurs when security issues arise as a result of insecure default settings or overriding the server or application software options with insecure configuration options. What causes security misconfigurations? Misconfiguration happens when no secure configuration has been applied to the framework's application server, web server, database server, or the platform of the application. To understand the security misconfiguration vulnerability, let's look at an example. In this case, the vulnerability involves default accounts and passwords. A web application has a built-in administration console that hasn't been disabled. Although the admin page is not linked to the main application, it can be found under /admin. An attacker looking for a way in analyzes the web application. Eventually, they find the admin page. Knowing the application's framework, it's easy for the attacker to look up the default password. The attacker successfully submits the default credentials and logs in as administrator. He now has access to all user accounts. Let's take a look at another example. This time, the vulnerability is a result of a web application running with debugging features enabled. Application error debugging information is displayed to users. An attacker is trying to exploit vulnerabilities by feeding the application special input. Eventually, they are able to provoke an error. Detailed information about the error is shown on the output since the application allows it. In this case, the disclosed internal information helps the attacker with mounting a successful attack. Security misconfiguration vulnerabilities can have significant impacts. Since configuration happens at so many levels, many attacks with varying impacts are possible. Default admin passwords could be abused to expose the application and database. This could lead to theft of user accounts, resulting in privacy violation, loss of customers, and legal repercussions. Running unused or forgotten services could provide an entry point which an attacker can use to take over the application server. This could lead to system unavailability as well as reputation damage and financial loss. Developers should take the right measures to prevent security misconfiguration vulnerabilities in their applications. Define secure settings and implement a process to deploy them on all parts of the system. Implement a process to keep all software up to date. This should involve running automated scans and performing audits on a regular basis to help detect misconfigured parts of the system. Finally, ensure that a strong application architecture is put in place. This should include effective secure separation between components. For more information on security misconfiguration, see the Using Known Vulnerable Components module. Congratulations! You have now completed this module, Security Misconfiguration.